What's up, y'all, man? Rich Gang 44 here, man. Back in with another video. Hold on, I'm trying to look at something. Oh, okay. So, basically, I'm going to go through the process of telling y'all how I finished the dog pen, or dog cage, with how y'all want to see it. So, basically, I got the wood. First, I started out with 11 poles. The 11 pole was $158. And if I went, none of the cheapest place I went to for 11 poles, 158. Could use it for 11 poles to charge around like 200 something dollars. So then the trees y'all see, like on the corner. And when I got my dough at, that's the trees from up there where I'm gonna finish. I gotta go up there later on to finish cleaning all that woods out. I'm gonna try to make a video of me doing that. Cause then right now I'm in the process of buying another GoPro. The GoPro I had, long story short, it broke. Then the other one I had, it got buried and I couldn't find it. And when I buy a GoPro, I'm gonna try to buy me another camera around me now. Right now I'm ready on the right time, right moment. This is the dough right here. Then you just gotta hit that up to go in the cage like that. I got a bricks. Now I hit the bottom, cause these dogs in here, they like to dig their way out of stuff. So then I bought the 11 pole for 158. Then I bought probably like 5 more, probably 5 or 4. Anyway, it was $66. Then the fence I got it before I had made, before I started the YouTube channel. My uncle gave me this fence. And when Hurricane Sally came, dog pen was in front of the house. When after the hurricane, I moved it back down here. Cause when Hurricane Sally came, it tore the whole fence, everything up. I ain't put no money for real in that one, but I put some money in this one a little bit. But I probably put like over $200. Not too real, cause the bricks, I ain't paid for nothing. The tin, it from the house what me and my uncle did, and my daddy, and the door was just when I was doing the housing, still doing housing. When I asked them, they still want that door. They said they don't want it. I put it back in my truck. Put it back in my truck, and then so there's gonna be another cage over there. I'm gonna clear that out, baby girl. I'm gonna clean that out right there. I'm burn it. There's gonna be a cage. I probably put like a little cage right here. There's gonna be another cage right there, and another cage right there, and two more in front of the houses. Woo! Come here, girl. You growling? I said, come here. Yep. So basically, everything gonna be coming in place. You just gonna be tying the matter. I don't want this video to be too long or too short. But y'all make sure y'all give the video a like, a thumbs up, a comment down below. I'm still working on my truck right now. I still trying to get some stuff for my truck. I got one in. One on came in. I'm not gonna tell y'all that. It's gonna be on this channel. One of the mod came in. Me and my homeboy. I'm gonna give him a call. Say, hey, you wanna do this? It's gonna take me and you 30 minutes. You get one side, and I'll show you how to do the other side. Well, I do both sides. You record me if I can post it. He said, I'm gonna give him a call. If he down, he down. That's it. And that's just like that. Right now, I ain't really do. I just really doing nothing like everything I do major. Right now, I'm about to go cut some grass, and I'll cut my mama y'all while I'm here. And I ain't trying to make this video. I know the video is the shortest video. Short. If y'all want me to do something, make me do more content. Like if I really had more things did, I just ain't record it because I'm the only person that be here record, and I got it on my phone. So I'm in the process of buying everything new. So if y'all got some stuff y'all want to see on this channel, comment down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I'm just looking around my pen, make sure they ain't dig out. So yeah. Rich Gang 44 out. Peace.